Hey guys, this is Tarun Kashyap, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you all of the important plugins that we need to install in order to run a successful WordPress blog. Okay, so in the previous video I have shown you what are the important WordPress settings that we need to do after installing WordPress. So if you haven't watched that video, then I will give a link to that video in the I button. You can go and watch that video. Okay, so let's continue this video. So in order to install plugins, hover over plugins and click on this plugins. Okay, and if your WordPress is a fresh installation, then you need to click on this checkbox and then you have to click on this drop down and then you have to delete all the plugins. Okay, but not GeneratePress Premium, because GeneratePress Premium is a premium that supports GeneratePress. Okay, and these two plugins also we imported with the help of site library feature, so we are not going to delete these plugins. Okay, so the first plugin that we are installing is Akismet Anti-Spam. So install this plugin. So Akismet Anti-Spam plugin helps us to combat against spammy comments or the spammers. So the second plugin is Atomic Blocks. Search for Atomic Blocks in the plugin search area. So Atomic Blocks helps us to create amazing content with the Gutenberg blocks. Okay, so click on install now. I will be showing you in future how to create amazing content with Gutenberg blocks. Okay, so install Gutenberg blocks, Atomic Blocks. So the third plugin is Bloom. We have to purchase this plugin. So this plugin helps us to collect leads or email addresses from your website readers. Okay, so we will install that plugin. So here it is, Bloom plugin. I will install this plugin and then I will install. If you don't have Bloom plugin, then you have to buy Divi theme for getting Bloom plugin. You get Bloom plugin with Divi theme. In the past I have bought the Divi theme, and along with that Divi theme I got this Bloom plugin. This is amazing plugin and it helps us to collect leads. So in the left side bottom you can see the percentage, how much percentage been uploaded. So the plugin is fully uploaded. We will install it later on. So let's continue to the next plugin that we need to install. So the next plugin is Contact Form 7. Install Contact Form 7. Contact Form 7 helps us to create beautiful contact forms. So contact forms are basically the area where your readers can interact with you. They can send message to you, okay, from the contact form of your website. So install the Contact Form 7. And the next plugin is Jetpack. So install Jetpack plugin. So we will configure this plugin later on. So later on I will be showing you how to configure the Jetpack plugin. So let's continue to all of the important plugins. So the next plugin is OneSignal. We need to install OneSignal. We don't need to give a space between one and signal, because if you do that the WordPress plugin search may not find it. Okay, so don't give a space in between. So this is the plugin that we are looking for. Click on install now. OneSignal web push notifications. So this plugin helps us to send push notifications. You might have observed whenever someone publishes video on YouTube whose channel you have subscribed in YouTube, you get a notification. So that's push notification. So you can send your readers push notification through this plugin. Okay, so the next plugin is Rank Math SEO. Search for Rank Math SEO and install this plugin. So this plugin is an all-in-one SEO tool that helps in search engine optimization of your WordPress website. It helps in content, on page search engine optimization, and it also helps in little bit of off page SEO. Okay, so install WordPress Rank Math SEO plugin. So moving on to the next plugin, which is Really Simple SSL. So search for Really Simple SSL on the plugin search area and you will get this thing. You have to install this plugin. And we will move to our next plugin, which is Smush. So Smush is a plugin that helps to reduce the size of our images that we upload on our content. So install this plugin. This is the plugin that we are looking for. The benefit of using this plugin is this reduces the size of image, which helps our website to load fast. Okay, so moving on to the next plugin, which is Social Snap. So Social Snap is a social sharing plugin which helps to display beautiful share buttons on our content. Now this plugin also has a paid version, but we will be using the free version because free version is enough for us to be using on our website. Okay, but if you want more features, then you can go for the premium version of Social Snap. So the next plugin that we will be installing is Thirsty Affiliates. Search for Thirsty Affiliates. So this is the plugin that we are looking for. Click on install. So moving on to the next plugin, which is Ultimate Blocks. So Ultimate Blocks is also like Atomic Blocks. This plugin also helps us to create amazing content with Gutenberg blocks. Okay, so click on this install now button and we will move to our next plugin, which is Updraft Plus. So Updraft Plus is a plugin which helps us to take the backup of our whole WordPress website. Okay, so in case if anything goes wrong, you can restore the backups. And this plugin takes the backup of your website every day. So this is the plugin that we are looking for. Click on install now. Okay, moving on to our last plugin which is required to run a successful WordPress website is WP Rocket. Okay, so we will install WP Rocket. So I already have bought that plugin. That is a paid plugin. You have to buy that plugin, and trust me, this is the absolute best caching plugin which helps to reduce the loading time of your website. Okay, so click on upload plugin. If you buy that plugin, then congratulations, you have made a good investment. But if you have not bought that plugin, then I will recommend you to buy that plugin. Okay, so we will install WP Rocket and then we will click on install now, and then the WP Rocket plugin will be installed on our website. Okay, in the left side bottom you can see the percentage, how much percentage is been uploaded on our WordPress website. So currently 32% of the plugin is uploaded on our WordPress website. Okay, so now we have installed all of the plugins that we need to install in order to run a successful WordPress blog. So let's go to plugins, install plugins, and you can see all the plugins that we just installed. Okay, so in the next video I will be showing you how to customize all of the plugins that we just installed. Okay, so until then, goodbye, thanks for watching this video.